Hello guys, this is Shodit Vlogs and today I am going to make a video on Mech Arena. This is my old school. I play with him every day and I love him. So without wasting time, let's start. Here is my Guardian Mech. It's legendary as it has two legendary weapons in the game, which is Carbonate and another Carbonate. And most of the people don't have that because I am playing it for 2 years. I have it, but most of the players don't have time to play it. So the next one, this is Panther, and Panther has Carbine 12 with Plasma Cannon 4. They both do very good damage. And the next mech which we are going to see is very powerful and very damaging. It's the Paragon. The Paragon has Carbine 10 and Missile Rack 6, which can lead to a damage over than 60,000. And I have the Painful Mech or the Stealthy Mech, the Shadow, because no one can see it as it has stealth. You can see the stealth. Okay, stealth and Javelin Rack 4 plus Javelin Rack 4, which does auto targeting. You cannot escape. And there the next mech comes is Ares. The Ares is a tank roll mech which has a lot of power in it and a lot of HP, so no one can defeat it. And I have two rare weapons in it, Pulse Cannon 4 and Pulse Cannon 8. The both of the weapons do much damage to destroy a mech down. So without wasting time, let's start. But before starting, let me say you to subscribe my YouTube channel and to like and share the video with your friends. See, here is my avatar. I am super and I have the ID which is 213192, and my top mech is Paragon, and the highest bracket is 6 in master, and I have 20,000 battles and wins in them are 1100, and the highest damage is 349,000 damage and 7,021 total skills. So without wasting time, let's start. And here is my loadout. I am Cheetah. I have Cheetah and I am in Division 1. Let's play. I will play in quick match. It has started, so wait for me and I will repause the video. I am pausing it. So guys, the match has started. Yeah, I have to turn off my video because the game is very laggy. Sorry, I turned off my video, but I need to because the game is laggy. And here's my Paragon mech. I'm moving it towards the checkpoint. From here I will attack the Fleeceid. I did a lot of damage to Fleeceid. 4, 3, 2 and 1. You can see I killed Fleeceid there. It's so funny, they say noob identified. And my next target is at back of me, Eva 1. Have you saw? Fleeceid is a hacker. How could he kill me from that range? His range was awesome. He couldn't. There is Jack Iodat. I have to kill him. Jack Iodat. Down one. Again, he killed me. I don't know how. He's a hacker. Let me put down my painful mech. I killed pro shooter there. And now I need to kill the official EVA 1. I killed him. My stealth mode is finished. So I need to wait 2 seconds to regain it. Okay, I have regained my stealth mode. And I will kill this pro shooter. He's dead. Oh no! My stealth mode finished. I killed Fleecid there. Again stealth mode. And now I will attack 11111102. There's 11111102. I killed 11111102. So nice. Now I need to reload and damage EVA 1. He is a good player. He is killing me. No, not again. Now I have to put down my legendary mech, which does the most damage. Here's my legendary mech. I will attack near Earth now. I resetted them, so no problem. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Why? Why are you hacking? Why? Not again. They're hackers. See, their shots don't miss. Their shots don't miss at all. See, again. How could you do that? And my teammates didn't play it at all. I'm the MVP super. So, I will show you how to invite players in Mech Arena so that you can invite me later. You can see I am number 1 in my team. No, number 2 in my team. Let's go to Hangar. And now I will show you how to invite players. Here is my identity, which is super wet. Let me turn on my video. And you can see there is super. And super is my identity. It's my name in the game. My top mech is Paragon. And my ID is 213192. Let me show you how you can identify the real super and how you can make a note on the fake super that is fake. So you can see my ID is 213192. So you know definitely that the fake super will have another ID. But I have the identity which is 213192, the real one. And here settings. Let me show you what settings do I have. I have graphic quality ultra, FPS limit 60, shadows on, camera sensitivity 85%, because you don't want the camera to be more sensible, because see, my finger is like this because of 85% sensitivity, but 100% you can see my finger is so sensible. So you don't want your finger to be so sensible and your game to be more bad and your experience to be more bad because of the accidental touches you do on your screen. Now targeting system assist, I use wide target assist for tracking fast moving mechs because I recommend it. I have legendary weapons which are very accurate and you need to track fast mechs with the wide target assist. But vertical target assist I do not recommend because I have legendary weapon and I don't need precision. I need fast tracking. So I will use wide target assist. So goodbye. I see you all next time. Goodbye and bye.